In the beginning, outside the garden, two brothers stood before God, both with something in their hands. But only one carried something in his heart. Abel walked the field at dawn, mist still resting on the ard like a whisper. He didn't rush. He didn't grab what was easy. He searched for the firstborn, for the pure, for the one that cost him something. Every step said worship. Every breath said surrender. Leali o te o maia le mea sili, ele o mea totoe, ai o le ulu ai fua, ua ua watulo uloto atoa. Take my best, not what's left, heart laid down, nothing kept. Like Abel, I come correct. You deserve my best, my best. Cain came too, hands not empty. But heaven is not moved by full hands alone, because you can give and still hold back. You can bring an offering and still keep your heart. God looked not at the ground, not at the fruit, not at the fire. He looked at the soul behind the sacrifice. Sila sila le atua ile loto, ele gata ile me alofa, ae ole agaga olo abatu. God sees the heart, not just the gift, but the spirit giving it. Take my best, not what's left, heart laid down, nothing kept. Like Abel, I come correct. You deserve my best, my best. Search me. If it cost me nothing, it means nothing. Break me till my worship is real. I don't want routine. I don't want to impress man. I want to please you. Suelo buloto fa mama au iamoni lo utaulaga o te amatu me asilimo. Search my heart, God, cleanse me. Make my offering true. I give you my best. Take my best, not what's left, heart laid down, nothing kept. Oh, like Abel, I come correct. You deserve my best, my best. And in the silence, the truth remains. God sees not the offering, but the heart behind the hands.